How can you use the Size Matters handwriting program to support handwriting during any writing lesson? First, do you have any of these in your school? I bet you do. They're called staff writers. Your music teachers may have tucked them away in the closets. Ask if you can procure a few. They're also available on Amazon. These make excellent gifts to teachers still needing some convincing of OT's created problem solving. Place a marker or chalk in the top, middle, and bottom, and then at regular intervals erase the middle dotted line. Encourage your teachers, when they are writing on the board, to pay careful attention to touching their letter lines to each of the writing lines so children will do the same. Got whiteboards? Draw black top, middle, and bottom lines on those. If you use permanent markers, you only have to do it once. Then use your pink, yellow, or blue dry erase markers to draw size 1, 2, or 3 letters, respectively. Graph spelling and vocabulary words from your language arts books, science, social studies, even math. If you use black dry erase markers to draw your writing lines, be careful when crossing them with the colored ones. The tips will get dirty. How about smartboards? If you have these, scan grade level adapted writing paper onto the board. Take a few minutes to calibrate them so your marker exactly touches the writing lines. You want your teachers to model that exact touching of the writing lines so the kids have an accurate reference. Want more ideas? Write to me and visit the Real OT Solutions website. Happy printing, everybody!